Hello everybody, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So this is the Godrej Ananda Phase 3, the miniature, sold at Godrej Ananda. G plus 22 floor and G plus 24 floors. So here is the entry and exit for the property. This is the Bangalore Road or New Airport Road. Amenities facing, we have the premium units. PLC will get added to the cost. So the property price starts from 74.99 lakhs. This is the beautifully built structure clubhouse, the miniature. Just look out, the clubhouse in between the phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. So this side will be a phase 1 and 2, and this side we have phase 3. There are multiple entry and exit for the property. So you will have another entry and exit from here, which will directly connect you to the residential and commercial development of KIADB, like mall, hospital and other things. You may reach us, we'll share our contact number if you're interested in buying a property at Godrej Ananda, sold at Godrej Ananda Phase 3. It's a RERA approved project. Call us for details. More than 30 plus amenities they are given inside the project. They have 2 BHK, Jodi Apartment, normal regular 2 BHK also they have, 998 square feet, 1092 square feet, and then they have 1588 square feet and Jodi 3 BHK unit. Sorry for the background noise. That's it. Thank you so much for watching us. Reach us for details everyone. Stay safe.